Imagine the power of a cinema screen and a supercomputer right in your pocket. Does that sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of Samsung S24 Ultra and Google Pixel 8 Pro. These aren't just any smartphones. They're the flagship models from Samsung and Google respectively, each packed with cutting-edge technology and features that would make any tech enthusiast's heart skip a beat. Today, we're going to dive deep into the specifications of both these phones and see how they stack up against each other. Samsung has always been a trailblazer in the smartphone market, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. Delving in, the display of the S24 Ultra is nothing short of stunning. It boasts a dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity O display, offering crystal clear visuals and vibrant colors that bring your screen to life. With a screen size of 6.8 inches, it's a mini cinema in your pocket. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is powered by Samsung's very own Exynos 2100 processor globally, while in the US, it comes with the Snapdragon 888. This beast of a processor ensures smooth performance, even when you're multitasking or running high-end games. In terms of memory, the S24 Ultra comes with two options, 12 GB and 16 GB of RAM. Whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer, both options provide ample room for a seamless experience. The internal storage also varies between 256 GB and 512 GB, giving you a lot of space for all your apps, games, photos, and videos. Speaking of photos and videos, the S24 Ultra houses an impressive camera setup. It features a 108-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and two 10-megapixel telephoto lenses. Whether you're capturing landscapes or portraits, the S24 Ultra promises sharp and vibrant images. The battery life is another area where the S24 Ultra shines. It comes with a 5,000 mAh battery that supports both fast charging and wireless charging. So, whether you're a power user or just someone who hates running out of battery, the S24 Ultra has you covered. As for special features, the S24 Ultra comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor, IP68 water and dust resistance, and support for the S Pen, a first for the S series. With such high-end specifications, the S24 Ultra certainly sets the bar high. But can Google's Pixel 8 Pro match up? Let's find out. Google's Pixel range has always been known for its clean software and stellar cameras. The Pixel 8 Pro aims to take this legacy forward. Let's dive into the specifics of what the Google Pixel 8 Pro has in store for us. The Pixel 8 Pro features a vibrant and crisp 6.7-inch OLED display, boasting a resolution of 3200 by 1400 pixels. The screen also supports HDR10+ and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, ensuring smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. Under the hood, we find the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 processor, providing top-notch performance. It's paired with 8 GB of RAM, ensuring that multitasking is a breeze. Whether you're gaming or browsing, the Pixel 8 Pro is designed to handle it all effortlessly. The device comes with options for 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. Unfortunately, there's no option for expandable storage, but with Google's generous cloud storage offerings, space shouldn't be an issue. Now, let's talk cameras. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts a triple rear camera setup. The primary sensor is a 50-megapixel unit, accompanied by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. This combination promises excellent photos in all lighting conditions. The front camera, a 20-megapixel unit, ensures your selfies are always on point. Powering the Pixel 8 Pro is a massive 5,000 mAh battery. This should easily get you through a day of heavy usage. The device also supports fast charging, wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. On the software front, the Pixel 8 Pro runs on the latest Android version, Android 13, offering a clean and smooth user experience. It also has an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, making it a robust choice for those with an active lifestyle. The Pixel 8 Pro certainly brings a lot to the table. But how does it compare to the S24 Ultra? Time for the showdown. Two tech giants, two flagship phones, but which one comes out on top? Let's delve into the specifics. When it comes to the display, both the Samsung S24 Ultra and Google Pixel 8 Pro offer stunning visuals. The Samsung S24 Ultra boasts a dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, ensuring deep blacks and vibrant colors. On the other hand, the Google Pixel 8 Pro employs an OLED display, providing a fantastic contrast ratio for a crisp, clear image. Performance is a crucial factor for any smartphone user. Both phones run on top-of-the-line processors. The Samsung S24 Ultra is powered by an Exynos 2100 or Snapdragon 888, depending on the region. Meanwhile, the Google Pixel 8 Pro operates on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, ensuring smooth operation and efficient multitasking. Now let's talk camera quality. The Samsung S24 Ultra takes the lead with a 108-megapixel primary sensor, promising incredibly detailed and sharp images. However, the Google Pixel 8 Pro isn't to be overlooked. Its 50-megapixel main camera, coupled with Google's advanced image processing, delivers stunning photos with excellent dynamic range. Battery life can be a deal-breaker for many. The Samsung S24 Ultra packs a hefty 5000 mAh battery, allowing for extended usage. The Google Pixel 8 Pro isn't far behind with a 4500 mAh battery. Both phones support fast charging, ensuring your device is powered up in no time. When it comes to the operating system, it's a matter of personal preference. The Samsung S24 Ultra runs on One UI 3.1 based on Android 11, offering a myriad of customization options. Conversely, the Google Pixel 8 Pro operates on pure Android 11, providing a clean, uncluttered user interface. In terms of storage, both phones offer ample space for all your apps, photos, and more. The Samsung S24 Ultra comes with 128 GB, 256 GB, or 512 GB options, while the Google Pixel 8 Pro offers 128 GB or 256 GB. Lastly, let's touch on design. The Samsung S24 Ultra sports a sleek, modern look with a glass back and aluminum frame, while the Google Pixel 8 Pro features a stylish, minimalist design with a matte finish. Whether you choose the Samsung S24 Ultra or the Google Pixel 8 Pro, you're getting a top-tier phone packed with features. Ultimately, the choice comes down to personal preference. So, which one will you pick?